Ever wondered how websites are built? Not just the flashy ones, but even the most basic page. How does it show up, look, styled, and respond to your clicks? It all begins with two essential tools, HTML and CSS. HTML, short for Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of the web. It's not a programming language. It doesn't make decisions. Instead, it tells the browser what each part of the page is, like a headline, a paragraph, an image. A simple HTML document is made of tags. Each tag wraps around content and gives it meaning. Headings, links, buttons. HTML makes them appear. But raw HTML? It's plain, boring. That's where CSS, cascading style sheets, comes in. It's what makes your website beautiful. It controls color, font, spacing, even animation. With CSS, you can take a basic heading and transform it into a vibrant, custom-branded element. Want a red button with a shadow? CSS makes it happen. HTML and CSS work like teammates. HTML gives the structure, CSS gives the style. Together, they build what your users see and feel. Let's build a simple page. Copy this. HTML, ston, and style. And what's come back to those? My web page and its style. The same ways, the same different ND and face. Hello web. 1. Y, star, and face. And style come back to the same time. Hello web. My first HTML and CSS. Project. Click me. CSS body. Heading for those project. The same different ND insteads. Font family. Arial. Has things. Defriended inted. Background. F4 F4 F4. Text align. Center. Padding. 40 pixels. Again. Button. Padding 10 pixels. 20 pixels. Track to 10 button. Text. Color white. None. Border radius. 5 pixels. Copy the path. Open it in your browser. Boom. You've just built your first styled web page. Why learn this? Because every site, no matter how complex, starts here. Behind React, behind WordPress, behind Webflow, HTML and CSS are always working silently. Mastering them gives you control, freedom to tweak, fix, and build exactly what you want. Once you've grasped the basics, level up. Learn Flexbox, Grid, media queries, and eventually, JavaScript for interactivity. But don't rush it. Get comfortable with the fundamentals. Build simple sites. Style them, break things, and fix them. Want more web dev breakdowns? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more step-by-step guides, mini tutorials, and beginner-friendly tech stories, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Your journey into